I'd like to ask all of you, what is your name? What excites you and makes your heart beat? Tell me your story. I want to hear your voice. I want to hear your conviction. No matter who you are, where you're from, your skin color, your gender identity, just speak yourself. Find your name and find your voice.
They said that I can climb the highest mountain. 他们说我没有梦想 dan takkan bisa mengubah dunia. Terus kami sisbini berslautenen. Jag smör vägen längs som basket. Kami jalan dan pergi kerucut. Minggulah lebih ustunmu. Bukan melihatmu. Hujan jatuh tinggal. Oh, sedang. Na 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 na. Kimi wa hitori janai. Namannya kumitoku. Hantamasa sinagione kini minatala. Muling sisikatan ada. Melodi bangkang ijalan. Mulainya tegang dekat sembiar doni. Et je fais le tout premier pas. Terjodoh jodoh main di badan. Aku sih fair. Amigo tak jatuh shoti. Vou seguir mesmo difícil. Me convencer, tão chão, eu for all the telescope. I know you're the real estate agent, but it feels like you're my homie's mansion. Usually no one never hits up my phone, but I can call on our Galaxy Samsung. Used to sing by myself, cause no one else was on my wave. But since you let me in the door, I'm no longer waiting. Every time I fall, you my parachute. You my magic shop, you my chicken soup. Scared of being me, now I speak my truth. We all shooting stars, now we bulletproof. It's all thanks to you. They hoped that memories could do this.
Umiti kahit may pagsubok.
Or must first say to me, je m'aimais la minum, ni de real picture, but you're the biggest amigo I can. La tercera la porta tiratiana, jauh kita kan bertunjung.
BTS taught me that even in some of your darkest and lowest points of your life, everything will eventually be okay.
BTS taught me that it is possible to move on to a new dream.
To always do my best, to be brave, be kind,
to not shy away from the world, and they encouraged me to speak myself without the fear of judgment.
Gituduan ko sa BTS na bisag dili nindot ang adlaw na agi hapoy rason para mongisi. Itagaan ko nila tsansa na muhil pa ang akong kasing-kasing.
BTS taught me that the youth of this generation and the older generation can still communicate and that we can learn and listen from each other's experiences. And that's why my relationship with my mom is as great as ever.
They reminded me that not everyone's going to be satisfied with how I am as a person, what I'm doing, what I enjoy. And that's completely fine.
Thanks, BTS. Love you!